Good morning, everybody from Sparkle Farm. Matt here with Honey. We're getting the wood burner going. It's 48 degrees here in the workshop right now, but we'd like a little warmer for working. But we're trying something different today. Yesterday I was over at my pop's house, and he gave me something for the wood burner, and we're going to try it out today. Nope. He gave us coal. It's not something that I've ever really burnt before, especially in a wood burner. And I know some people do it on a regular basis. You know, I don't even know where to actually buy it. You know, my dad he had it behind his barn, and he gave me a 5-gallon bucket full. So we're gonna get the fire going, and once we get a hot bed of coals, we're going to drop a piece on and, I don't know, see how well it burns here for the workshop. I've been using the flame weeder to start the fire lately. It lets me heat up the flue so I don't smoke up the workshop. Alright, let's get that door shut, and hopefully that'll take. Nope. Alright, now we're going to let that get going for a little bit. But let's start some of our other projects here inside the workshop. Whew. Well, one of the projects I wanted to get done isn't going to get done. Look at all this water. Like, I'm walking through. That's an inch or two of water just sitting there. And so the machine is just, it's ready to make a big old muddy mess. So I guess I wish I would have moved it the other day. But that's normally not much. That's not too much. We definitely had more rain yesterday than I thought. I don't know. I'm going to have to look that up later when I go back inside the house. But like, the yard is flooded. Like, I didn't think it came down that hard. Oh well, we got inside projects to do. Alright, come on, hound dog. Alright, it's been a little bit. The flue is showing about 400 degrees coming up the chimney. Let's see what this is. Alright. Like I said, I don't really know what to expect out of this coal, but kind of excited. If this is all I have to put in for the day and it's pumping out good heat, we'll be happy here in the workshop. Alright, I was kind of hoping for something more than that, but Honey's excited. Yeah, I have no idea how long my dad's even had that stuff. But alright, well, I'll keep you tuned in. Right now it's been, I don't know, a good hour or so. Maybe 45 minutes. And so you can definitely tell that the coal is on fire on the bottom. Seems to be burning good. The flue temperature dropped to just over 300. Is that warm enough for you? So I'm just going to keep monitoring it and yeah, enjoying the heat. All right. The coal's doing what I think it's supposed to be doing, but you know, it's not really a coal fireplace, so I can't really load it up with coal. It's only really keeping the flue at just over 200 degrees, so just gonna, you know, throw some logs in, get a little warmer because it's just not warming up the shop like I thought. But you definitely see how coal will just burn all day though. I think if I loaded up the whole thing with coal, I'd be in good shape, but I don't know how long it would actually burn, and I don't want this thing burning for days. So we'll just kind of add coal. Are you cold, dog? Yeah, apparently we need to get the workshop warmer for Honey. She's I think she might be cold. All right, well, more logs in the fire. All right, yeah, coal gets crazy hot once it starts going. So my flue is at 400 degrees, which I think is a little too hot, but the stove itself is just around 600, and then if I aim it right at the door, it maxes this out. That's telling me that it's just a little too hot, or I threw too big of a piece in. And so actually, let me show you. I broke it up so it'll burn a little quicker, but that is mostly coal, broken up coal down there, and it's burning awesome. But I do need to keep the door shut because it's a little smokier than just wood, and I don't know, starting to get some smoke on the ceiling here. Besides working on small projects here on Sparkle Farm, we also learn lessons too. The lesson for today is don't throw a giant piece of coal in your wood burning stove. Right now, the fireplace itself is 616. My flue is 371, but then the doors max out like that where the window it was. So that tells me that's just a little too hot. Yeah, it's warming up the workshop fast though, but it's just too hot. I did not really care for it pumping out that kind of heat and that big a flame inside. Let me show you. I did have to break it apart, but that's all broken up coal. So we're just gonna let that burn out, or just burn the rest of the day, I should say. Whoa! All right. Well, we're just gonna let that do its thing in there. and we'll keep it safe and shut. All right, definitely a good bed of coals in there now. The chimney is about 350, which I'm a lot more comfortable with that. This is pumping out amazing heat right now. It's going to do wonders to get this up. Not as hot as before though, but definitely a lot more comfortable with the flame like that instead of a raging flame inside of there. Yeah, lesson learned. Just kind of feed smaller pieces of excuse me, coal in there. You know, this ain't no locomotive. All right, back to our projects.